There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. Now what did they do me now? English I they speak so when I know verse. Hey my people, now welcome to my channel. Today na another special food we want cook. This one a food. No, this one a pepper soup, cow leg pepper soup. So we go make we take a take jolly today. Make una join me as we do this cow leg. Oh yeah, make una follow me, make we go. If na today na first time you dey come, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and press the come bell beside them. So this one na pepper soup spices. This one how they call pepper soup. All that dey inside, eshulu dey inside. Different combination of pepper soup seed dey inside. This one na salt. This one na be salt. We go give am taste. And this one na bunga of them all. This is Knorr Maggi. This one na my best Maggi what I dey use for my food. If you don't watch all my food, I dey use this Knorr Maggi. Now my number one thing. You get better ingredients inside. They use better thing. Take do am. Now it make me like to dey use this Knorr Maggi every time. Na very good Maggi. And this one now na fresh pepper. Now English be that one? No. Na pepper we don't ripe. I no fit kill myself. This one now na be the ubonga cow leg. The papa of them all for inside this video. Now this one na they call cow leg, cow foot. Now foot they call her. Okay, this one na cow flesh. What do they call them again? Na cow flesh na. Cow flesh. Now they call this one cows. This one now they call bell pepper. Now it be bell pepper. And this one now be the curry where they inside. Now this curry, na bell leaf. Yeah. Now be the curry one I want use take one. So this is now the things where I want to do one. Make una follow me. So now I don't they put the cow leg. This one now be the cow leg. Now I don't they put them. Make it done. So I go even put the cow flesh. So I go cover them. Make them boil for 15 minutes. Then I go come back. So this now the pepper, onions. This one now onions what I go use. I go use this one. So we go start by slicing. No, what it be slice? Cut them. We go start to the cut them. Which kind slice? Well, now English I can't speak. I beg. We go start to the cut and jare. Go cut them, cut everything. We go blend them. But the way I want to show you now, how I want to blend them. You know, blend them. That kind blend. The way you go blend, you go come smooth. This one na water. I just put water, so you go let me blend that well. So the kind blend the way we want to. So we go put everything. So we go be like say we dey match am. We no go blend and make it smooth well. We go blend and make it be like sand. You know say sand no dey smooth. So we go do am like that, make it match. You see as I dey match am. I don't match am finish. You see the face. You see as it be. You no blend at all. This one now the curry. So I go start to the cut am. I go cut am small. Me will take put. I not be saying a professional cutting. I be you see I go cut am anyhow. You must not find that way. Me cut am. So this now onions. So I go start to the cut the onions now. Make it smooth. Now smooth. What did they do myself? Now what I even they speak. Sometimes I don't even know the kind of thing why they speak. We'll cut them. No. The meat don't boil like 15 minutes. I go come remove the flesh where they inside because I don't want make it overdone. You know, say the cow leg they strong past the flesh. So this matana will come remove and will come keep her for corner until the cow leg done. We'll come cover and make we leave and make it done well. Nah. after some hour, na hour, no, after like 40 minutes, the cow leg done. Now they put the flesh back. They put them back. Make for boil together. This one are the Obonga Maggi, the Knorr Maggi. So I can put my Knorr Maggi now. My best friend. This Maggi is my best friend. I like her. It make sense for food. So when they put all the old papa and mama for inside now, all the old family member, no, they put everything. Because if you know put all the old family member, they not gonna know themselves. So when they put, you know what it be the family member, all these pepper, spices, Maggi, onions, all of them now be the family member. So when they put everything now, make all of them for the enter inside, make them know themselves now. So this one the pepper why I blend. So I don't put them now. So you go turn them well, turn them so that everything go enter inside, everything go jam together. Turn them. If you be person will be say you they like rice, you they like plantain or yam, you feel use this kind of thing to eat them. It they good well. It they make sense. So go come leave and make it boil well. Make it boil. So after it don't boil now. Now this curry now be the last thing what I want put. You see, so now be the no mind my cut test too. No bother about my cut test. Sometimes I go leave her like this. I no be cut test person. Make una no bother about my cut test for my hand. So you see now, everything now don't set. I go off the gas. Now wait beside I don't put this scent leaf. So go leave her. We go leave her 1 minute. So it don't ready now. Na to serve her. They see the bonga meat. If you test this meat, you go like and I mean they tell you go use and eat rice, you go use and eat plantain, you go use and eat yam, and you go even use and drink your beer. You can enter your brain. You could don't forget to subscribe. When I come press that bell beside them, so that anytime where I upload, and I go get them one time. My people, una too much. If not be una, I no go there yet today. If not be una, I no go come here. Una bye bye yo.